Welcome to MX Breakz on MX24 TV. My name is Ajwa Frimpoma. There's a lot to cover, so let's get straight into our stories for today. Now, we're starting with Sarkodie Rapperholic concert that happened on Independence Day in London. Now, this was a historic concert. It was sold out, and already he has announced that 2027 Rapperholic is going to happen at the O2 Arena. Finally, let's take a look at some highlights. On Rapperholic, I'm excited for this because Efya finally revealed her baby bump. Yes, 38 years old Efya is confirmed heavily pregnant after she revealed her baby bump at the Rapperholic concert 2026 in London with Sarkodie. Once again, big congratulations to Efya and also congratulations to Sarkodie for sold-out show. We're hoping to see Rapperholic in London 2027.